Response validation and options in Google Forms. I'm Charlie Haffey. Options. Every question type in Google Forms has options. Two of these question types have a most valuable tool. That valuable tool is response validation, and it's found in the question types short response and paragraph. Here is the scenario. You've finished your form. Then you convert it to a quiz or a test. That asterisk means that I have a separate video on how to convert a form into a quiz or a test. You should insert a section for a password if you're having a quiz or a test. And you want to make that section required. Students should be able to enter the password correctly in order to access the actual test. Here is a form that I created before presentation evaluation, and I'm going to demonstrate the response validation on this form. You can tell that I have it set up for a short answer question type. And down here, you can tell that the button has been moved to the right and is now in color. This is a required question. Students will not be able to go past this section here unless they have satisfied all the parameters that you set for this password. You notice that I clicked on the section break icon. That's to the right there in the menu. And to the left, you can see it says continue to the next section. Students will have to successfully enter the password to gain access to the next section, which will be the beginning of the test. And the three vertical dots or the snowman icon, click on that, and you'll see the options. The options here are the same for short answer and paragraph. There's a description, and you can tell that the response validation has been activated because it has a check mark. So if you click on the first drop-down arrow, that's the menu, and you have four menu choices. You can pick number, text, length, and regular expression. Once you have picked your menu option, it will give you options that are based upon that. So here, because number is the default, I get all these options here as to how I want to format whatever number it is that I'm asking the students to supply. Here is where I would put any information in the number format. I would actually enter the password here. And then this is where you would enter custom error text. This is where you put in the text. So if a student incorrectly answers this question, they'll get a custom error text to pop up. You should watch my video on how to set up a password because this can create havoc. So if you select from the menu the number, these are the options you'll get. If you select text from the menu, then here are the options you'll have. So the text will contain or don't contain email address, URL. If you pick length from the menu, you can set a minimum and maximum character count. And if you go with regular expression, contains or doesn't contain, matches, doesn't match, you can use these as you see fit. Other question types. They have less sophisticated options. And those options will vary according to the question type. You want to go through all the question offerings that you have and explore the options. This is Response Validation and Options. I'm Charlie Haffey.